Good morning, everyone. I am Lalita from Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today, our topic is Understanding the IoT Environment. The IoT environment is a limited bandwidth and memory and spaceful devices. The main challenges of the devices have a low power and memory, unreliable network, and different applications like a pull and push. It's a slowly closely networks. It's a need low hour communications require the protocols designed to drops a need. Multiple communications model minimize the better packet size. When the data transfer to the provider to emerge systems like a COAP, HTTP like a protocol optimized for constrained devices. MQTT publish subscribers protocols for asynchronous communications. The COAP is like a perform a low bandwidth power. It is a client server technologies and MQAT is the performed as the broker based system. It is the prototypes of how COAP and MQTT works. Features architecture of COAP is REST-based client systems. When the client requests to the server, afterwards it's a perform their task. It's a MQTT is the public and sub clients is the broker-based system. When the data is needed, always it send the data to the some particular person. Communication in the COAP is the synchronous communication and MQTT is the asynchronous communications. It is the prototype is the UDP based system that means it COAP are smart devices core constrain the RESTful environments. It's mainly used for smart home devices like a TV bulb like that. MQTT is mainly used for Facebook Messenger, Amazon AWS and medical telemetry and logistic training. It's mainly used in social media networking with the broker based system. So when the brokers needs to send the client, automatically it send the devices to the some particular places. The COAP is performed as the low bandwidth powers and MQTT is the performed as the unreliable data. COAP is performed to the reliable data to constrains the models to transfer the protocol through the network based system. The main of MQTT is based the Facebook messages, social media, and AWS and medical telemetry system. Let's discuss about the differentiate between MQTT and COAP. The, the, the students are explain about the MQTT and COAP models in the devices. The differentiate of MQTT and COAP. COAP it's the constraints applications protocols. It is mainly performed as the IoT devices, limited memory and processing power. COAP is used to UDP transfer protocols layer. It's mainly UDP port for COP communications is request and response communications. It is the lightweight and published hybrid mechanisms via systems. It reduces the overhead of COP messages are enclosed to the binary formats. That means it's enclosed to the messages in zeros and ones. It can be secured by using the Telegram Transport Security Systems, which is variant of TLS and UDP systems. COAP is allows to resource delivery using the core resources typically located at well-known core. It is message of core conformable and non-conformable acknowledgement system is the REST-based systems. Then MQTT is mainly used in social media networking and message-based perform model. MQTT stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transfer. stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. MQ2E is based on lightweight messaging protocols designed for constrained IoT devices. It is the perform the specific constraints method. It's perform the specific constraint machines like a STLS SSL support system. The client that receives the message from the topic is called subscriber. It is the broker-based system. When the brokers are send the request to the server, it's enabled to perform the specific task. Client receive the message from the topic is the subscriber. MQTT special topic is called as a lost will and testament. It is written the MQTT. It ensure the broker stores the message to the topic for the new subscriber. It's mostly broker can be allowed to perform the specific task the multiple client to communicate with the distributed system. The multiple clients, it is the multiple communication system. So MQTT multiple client can communicate through the MQTT protocols model. The system is mainly used to sending the data in the network area. Thank you.